Hello, I'm Jason with CodeLearner.com. Welcome to this lesson. We're going to learn how to enter comments into your code. A lot of times when you write complicated programs, it's worth your time to write notes to yourself to remind yourself of what you were doing, or for other people reading your code to see what you were thinking when you were writing your code. So for instance, in this simple program, we have two output statements, and I might want to write myself a note, and might want to write underneath it, I might want to write something like, we put a / space. Here we have two output lines to the screen. Okay, when you have // this is // right next to each other with no space, Java will completely ignore everything on this line. Everything that follows it, notice it's in green here. So anything you see in green like that is a comment, and the compiler doesn't even look at the line. So I can then hit enter if I want another line. Now if I wanted to have a second comment line, I could go underneath it and again hit //. Notice it turns it green, and by the way, this program is cool, right? So anything I want to type after two slashes is going to be completely ignored. Now this is great. I can put every line on every comment on a separate line with double slashes. It's going to ignore it. But sometimes you want to write a whole bunch of text at once. So for instance, I might put at the top of the screen a longer block of text. If you want to surround a block of text and tell Java that it's a comment, the way you do it is you put a slash followed by an asterisk. And then you hit enter, and when you do that, Eclipse is going to end it with a asterisk and a slash. So basically, let me make it a little more clear to you by erasing these intermediate guys here, right? Let me bring this up and show you. Okay, here you have slash, asterisk, and then asterisk, slash. Anything in between this stuff is going to be treated as a comment. Okay, so this is the way to make block code, because then I can hit enter, right? I can keep hitting enter. Everything in between here I can say by Jason Gibson, date, August 23rd or 21st, 2013. I'm just making this date up. But anyway, I could have, description of code. I can put a whole title block here. Everything between /* and //. These asterisks here really don't matter so much. It's just the /** asterisk. This is a block comment code. So I can have this at the top of my file, and then I can have, here's the main definition, some other little comments that I can have here. You can also put comments off after the semicolon, //. This is a line of code. And as we go forward in the course, we'll have occasion that we'll need to input comments into our code to make it easier to understand. But mostly it's useful whenever you're creating longer programs with lots of methods and classes and things. You probably want to document what it is to remind yourself 2 or 3 years from now what you were doing, and also if you give this code to somebody else so that they will know what you're doing. This is how to enter comments into your code when you're doing Java.